what programming language I should learn to get more package in IT industry. So every candidate have doubt about this question, guys. So with which programming language I can get more package now and future? Okay, so I will clear all your doubts, guys, in this session. So watch till the end of the video, then you can understand with what programming language I can get more packages in IT industry in the future as well. Okay, so before entering to the main topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. So I used to upload more and more useful content videos. Okay, and also don't forget to share to your friends, and also don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Now let's come back into the main topic, guys. What programming language I should learn to get more package in IT industry? So I will tell you one thing, guys. By learning only programming language, you may not get more package, guys. You have to learn that related skills as well to get IT job and to survive in IT industry as well. But to learn any one programming language is mandatory to become a software developer in IT industry, guys. Now let's start the first programming language which is getting more package in the world, which is getting more package in IT industry in the worldwide. That is nothing but JavaScript, guys. So JavaScript is one of the most famous programming language in the world in IT industry, guys. For every web developing, for every web application and mobile applications as well as hybrid applications, we are using JavaScript nowadays, guys. And you have to learn other technologies also along with JavaScript, guys, like Node.js. So Node.js is the most demand one, guys, along with the JavaScript experience. And you will get more and you will get highest package as well if you know along with the JavaScript, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, Redux. Okay, so JavaScript is the first programming language to get more package. And the second one is Java programming language, guys. Okay, so if you learn Java programming language, then you can become a mobile application developer by learning Android or Kotlin. At the same time, we can use Java programming language not only mobile application development, you can use Java programming language other sectors also, other domains also, guys, like web applications, enterprise applications, desktop applications, okay, and gaming applications as well. You will get more package by using Java programming language also, guys. And the third one is Python programming language, guys. So if you know Python, then you can become a data scientist, okay, or a data engineer. Okay, so Python programming language very easy in syntax wise, and also one of the fastest growing programming language in IT industry, guys. Nowadays Python programming language used in many applications like machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, because a lot of supported Python libraries, guys, to implement machine learning and artificial intelligence or data science projects, guys. Okay, and the fourth one is C++, guys. So if you want to get IT job in product based companies, then you must learn one programming language, either C++ or Java, guys. Okay, so if you know C++ and data structures and concept and some system designing concepts, then you can easily get IT job in product based company, guys. Okay, so by using C++, we can develop a system applications and embedded applications and some gaming applications also, guys. So therefore, C++ is also one of the most demanded programming language for every product-based company using to implement their projects, guys. And the next programming language is Scala, guys. So Scala supports both object-oriented and functional programming, guys. Okay, so Scala is also one of the fastest growing programming language, guys, but as a experienced professionals, you have to learn Scala, guys. And the next programming language is Objective-C, guys, because iOS applications and Mac operating system is developed by using Objective-C, guys. So Objective-C as well as Swift programming language, most demand programming language, also get high package, guys, in IT industry if you learn Objective-C or Swift programming language. And the last programming language is nothing but Ruby and Rails, guys. Okay, so this is also one of the most demand programming language. Okay, and you will get high package as well, guys. But I highly recommend you, if you are a beginner, not required to learn Ruby and Rails. If you are already having professional IT experience above 5 years or 6 years, then you can learn and you can gain the professional experience, guys, in Ruby and Rails. Then you can expect a high package compared to other candidates, guys. So these are the most high paying programming languages in IT industry, guys, now and future as well. Okay, so that's all, guys, my side. So if you have any doubts, please ping me in the comment box. I will reply to your queries. And if you feel this video is very helpful, then please share to your friends, guys. And also don't forget to hit the like button. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.